All right, what's going on YouTube? I'm back with another video. Man. All right, this video, man, a little bit again, another how-to video. Look, man, I'm tired of always washing my car, and I drive 2 minutes down the road, man, and boom, I got a bunch of brake dust, man. If you don't know, man, my Hellcat has the bronze wheels on them, man. They supposed to be bronze, and they're not, man. I'm so tired of driving this mug and instantly getting brake dust everywhere, man. So today we gonna change these mugs out, man. All right, so I went with the PowerStop Extremes for the front and the back. I went with the Z26. All right, Z26. That's what I'm gonna use this. So today, man, like I said, man, I'm just gonna change the brake pads out, man, take the wheels off. So let's open it up and see what we got in the box. So for one, I like how it comes. It basically tell you about the braking period. So you do 5 aggressive stops from 40 to 10. Then you do 5 moderate decelerations from 35 to 5. Then you drive slow to cool down your brakes for 5 minutes. All right, so let's open these up and see. Boom, look at that. All right, these are the pads. This will go on the back, the holder pads. That's pretty good. So also, man, this is everything you're gonna need. So I went and bought a punch set, man. It cost me like maybe like 10 bucks. Also went and bought kind of like, I guess you could say, a mallet. It has a soft end on one, hard end on the other. Then all you need is basically a 13 millimeter. I actually take the bolt off in the back. But these are the pads, man. Where it is. So these are the pins too. All right, so I'm probably not going to do these pins. I'm probably going to keep the pins that I already have in there, because I think everybody keeps talking about these pins are actually smaller than the factory ones. But I am going to change the clips out. So I'm going to change the clips out. I'm not going to use the pins though. But yeah, man, that's pretty much everything.